There's a problem here. Let's discuss it. A 0.0143 m sulfuric acid solution was completely neutralized by 30.5 milliliter of a 0.0165 m lithium hydroxide solution. What's the volume of the acid solution? A 0.0143 m sulfuric acid solution was completely neutralized by 30.5 milliliter of a 0.0165 m lithium hydroxide solution. What's the volume of the acid solution? This is the chemical equation. Lithium hydroxide plus H2SO4, we get lithium sulfate plus H2O. This chemical equation is not balanced. First of all, we need to balance this chemical equation. Let's balance it. Then on the left hand side, 2 lithium hydroxide plus H2SO4. On the right hand side, lithium sulfate plus 2H2O. Now you can see on the left hand side 2 lithium, on the right hand side 2 lithium, on the left hand side 6 oxygen, on the right hand side 6 oxygen, on the left hand side 4 hydrogens, on the right hand side 4 hydrogens, on the left hand side 1 sulfur, and on the right hand side 1 sulfur. This is the ratio. To react with 2 moles of lithium hydroxide, 1 mole of H2SO4 is required. In the same way, to react with 1 mole of H2SO4, 2 moles of lithium hydroxide are required. We know the molarity and volume of lithium hydroxide solution. Therefore, we can find the number of moles in lithium hydroxide solution. Volume of this lithium hydroxide solution is 30.5 milliliters. Volume 30.5 milliliters. Molarity of this lithium hydroxide solution is 0.0165 m. Molarity. M means in 1 liter or 1000 milliliters of this lithium hydroxide solution, there are 0.0165 moles of lithium hydroxide. Now we need to find in 30.5 milliliters of this lithium hydroxide solution, how many moles of lithium hydroxide are there? Let's find it. In 1000 milliliters of this lithium hydroxide solution, there are 0.0165 moles of lithium hydroxide. Because this 0.0165 mole, this is 0.0165 m lithium hydroxide solution. Therefore, in 1000 milliliters of this lithium hydroxide solution, there are 0.0165 moles of lithium hydroxide. Then 30.5 milliliters of this lithium hydroxide solution, how many moles of lithium hydroxide are there? We can find the answer in this way. 0.0165 mole lithium hydroxide divided by 1000 milliliters lithium hydroxide multiplied by 30.5 milliliters lithium hydroxide. In this way, we should cancel out units. Milliliter lithium hydroxide, milliliter lithium hydroxide. Then we get 0.00050325 moles of lithium hydroxide. In 30.5 milliliters of this lithium hydroxide solution, there are 0.00050325 moles of lithium hydroxide. We know the ratio. We have found it earlier. To react with 2 moles of lithium hydroxide, 1 mole of H2SO4 is required. To react with 2 moles of lithium hydroxide, 1 mole of H2SO4 is required. Now we have 0.00050325 moles of lithium hydroxide. Then to react with 0.00050325 moles of lithium hydroxide, how many moles of H2SO4 are required? You can find the answer in this way. 1 mole H2SO4 divided by 2 mole lithium hydroxide multiplied by 0.00050325 moles of lithium hydroxide. In this way, we should cancel out units. Mole lithium hydroxide, mole lithium hydroxide. Then we get 0.00025165 moles of lithium H2SO4. We get 0.00025165 moles of H2SO4. Now we need to find the volume of the H2SO4 solution. We know molarity of this H2SO4 solution 0.0143 m molarity. Zero point 0143 m molarity. That means in 1 liter 1000 milliliters of this sulfuric acid solution, there are 0.0143 moles of sulfuric acid. There are 0.0143 moles of sulfuric acid in 1000 milliliters of this sulfuric acid solution. Now there are 0.00025165 moles of sulfuric acid. Are they in how many milliliters of this sulfuric acid solution? We can find the answer in this way. 1000 milliliters sulfuric acid divided by 0.0143 mole sulfuric acid multiplied by 0.00251625 moles of sulfuric acid. In this way, we should cancel out units. Mole H2SO4, mole H2SO4. Then we get our answer volume 17.5 milliliters H2SO4. You can find the answer by using your calculator. Volume 17.5 milliliters. Second method. There are two chemical solutions here. One is lithium hydroxide, the other one is H2SO4. We can take lithium hydroxide solution as number 1 solution, H2SO4 solution as number 2 solution. There's no problem. If we want, we can take lithium hydroxide solution as number 2 solution, sulfuric acid solution as number 1 solution. There's no problem there. Now we have taken here lithium hydroxide solution as number 1 solution. Therefore, we can take polarity of this lithium hydroxide solution as M1, volume of this lithium hydroxide solution as V1. We have taken sulfuric acid solution as number 2 solution. Therefore, we can take polarity of this sulfuric acid solution as M2, volume of this sulfuric acid solution as V2. We know M1, it has been given 0.0165. We know V1, it has been given 30.5 milliliters. We know M2, it has been given 0.0143. We don't know V2, we have to find it. Now we can create an equation like this. M1 V1 equals M2 V2. Units are same on the left hand side and right hand side. We can substitute these values to this equation in this way. M1 0.0165, V1 30.5 milliliters equals M1 M2 0.0143 0.0143. V2 we don't know. Now we must consider about the ratio. We know to react with 2 moles of lithium hydroxide, 1 mole of H2SO4 is required. Therefore, we have to multiply H2SO4 side of this equation by 2. This is the H2SO4 side. We have to multiply H2SO4 side of this equation by 2. In this way, then 0.0165 times 30.5 equals 2 times 0.0143 times V2. Here we need to find V2, therefore we should isolate V2 on the right hand side of this equation. Then 2 times 0.0143 goes to right hand side. In this way, 0.0165 times 30.5 divided by 2 times 0.0143 equals V2. By simplifying this, we can find the answer. You can use your calculator. Then we get volume 17.5 milliliters. Volume of this sulfuric acid solution 17.5 milliliters. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.